right, guys, here we go.
Ooh, this is scary, but I'm filming. Do it now.
The truck's going. Here we go. We're just gonna have to use some horsepower to get up there. Oh, this blue car. We'll see if this blue car can make it. Oh, it made it.
It made
If
it.
that
Woo!
blue car can make it, we can make it.
Wait,
for sure.
It's slowing down. Yeah, I made it.
All right, here we
This
go.
truck's going. And this car.
Here we go.
and
Here we
us,
go.
and then-
That truck's getting over there. Look.
Okay, looks like we're going.
All right, guys.
Did we make it?
Made it.
Yes.
Look at that. Film that over there.
Look at that power line that just fell.
No, it didn't just fall.
Oh, a tree got stuck on it. A tree is stuck on it, I believe.
All right, here we go.
That's really scary.
You keep. Oh man.
What?
What?
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
We're on.
Okay, we're going.
Yeah, this is so dangerous.
Here we go. The light is green.
Okay, look at that.
Oh
that
my.
first power line and another power line.
This is insane with the power line. Oh man.
What?
Wow. That guy's just going under it. Oh man, that guy barely made it under the power line.
Wait, what?
That guy barely made it under. We're gonna have to go a different way. Here we go.
Do we have to go
We're
that
gonna go
way?
straight. Here we go.
Just straight? Okay.
All right, we're out. Woohoo!
Woo!
All righty.
Yay!
Good job. All right, thank you.